Okay, so we're on page 152, guys. And you're on the back of your work paper for 153. We're just going to do 152. So, E, we're on E. We graphed these 2 points, 1, 2, and then 4, 4. We connected the 2 points. Now we're going to do the rise over the run. We ran how many? 3. Guys, do you see where I'm putting the 3? I don't want the 3 down here. I don't want the 3 right here. I need it right here to show that that's 3 units. And it's positive because you went to the right. And then we're going up how many? 2. Now, on your piece of paper, you're going to put M equals, and we're going to do rise over run. So it's going to be 2 over 3. Now we're going to do it the other way, just to check ourselves, to make sure we got it right and we know what we're doing. Plus it helps review this the other way to get slow. Okay, now we're going to go look at our piece of paper. We're going to circle the Y's. I just come up with that. I think that's what we're going to do. And it helped a little bit. Because some people are subtracting the wrong numbers. So we're going to go and subtract. What am I going to subtract? 4 minus 2 on at numerator. And then on the denominator? Good. So, does everybody see how we got those numbers? I hope you're not just copying. I hope you were doing it on your own and then checking me. That's how we learn. And so 2 over 3, 2/3. Yes, 2/3 is our answer. We got the same thing on both. 2/3 is in the middle, and that's E. Skip a line. Let's do G. Okay, on G, we're going to go graph. How do I get to -4, -2? Down 2. Put your point. Guys, this point has nothing to do with this point at this for right now while we're graphing. 2, -5. Over 2, down 5. Now, we're just trying to find the 2 points so we can graph the line. Connect. Normally, you go through both points, but for this graph, since we're putting 4 slopes on there, we're just doing it from point to point. Now we're finding the rise over the run. So I'm starting at this point, and I'm going over how many? I love the negative. -6. Excellent. And then I'm going up how many? Well, I'm going up, so it's at +3. Good job. So I'm coming over. I got that? You see, we went from that point, the bottom point, up to the top point. You always run first. You're going to run. You're going to go left or right first. You're running before you can ride the elevator. So it's going to be 3 over -6, which reduces to what, guys? Good. I didn't mean to circle it yet. Sorry. Now, so that's one way to find, when we have a graph, you rise over run. If we have the 2 coordinates, we're going to come over here. We're going to circle our Y's. Circle our Y's. Several people were subtracting X's and Y's at the same time. So circle your Y's. So we're going to start with -5 minus a -2. Well, yeah, in just a second, thanks. And then on the bottom, we're going to start with 2 minus -4. You know what? I so appreciate the people that were already writing that down. If you're just copying me, you're going to be lost on this paper, because you should already know how to do that from the page we just did yesterday. This is just a review. So we're going to keep, change, like Madison said, keep, change. I don't mind you using the calculators, but guys, on this right now, look, let's just do it together. It's pretty easy. What's -5 plus 2? -3. You lost $5 and you're in big trouble. You found 2 of it, so now you've only lost 3. Now what's 2 plus 4? Isn't it positive? 2 plus 4? Yes. And then we can reduce that to 1/2. And if there's one negative, then the whole thing's negative. What if they're both negative? Then it's positive. Good job. -1/2 is G. Okay? Now, hey, are we good? So we're going to finish this page, guys. And we're going to staple our paper or papers to the back. Hey, we still have a stapling problem. You staple the worksheet on top with the work papers behind it, and you match up the holes. Make sure your name and number and date is on the paper, please. Okay, are there any questions? Hey, before you finish, show me with your hand a 0 slope, your arm. 0 slope. Undefined slope. Positive slope. Positive slope. Negative slope. Okay. We good? Okay. All right. Finish. Put it in the tray when you're done. God bless you.